Hello lovelies, how are you guys doing today? It's Ada's recipes here. Today I share how to make yummy and tasty fish pie. Guys, you're going to love this one. It's yummy, like I said, and easy to come up with. Continue watching as I walk you through. So the first thing you're going to do is to wash your fish. This is Titus fish. Then you spice it up by adding thyme, curry powder, seasoning cube, salt. Just add any spice of choice. Then you add onions, water. Then you're going to cook these until well cooked. So that's set aside. You're going to sift your flour. Then you add baking powder, sift. Then add your salt, grated nutmeg. Then you mix the dry ingredients together. So next up, you add margarine. Then you rub the margarine in the flour. Next is to break in your egg. Then you mix. Then add water a little at a time. Add some margarine. You're going to keep mixing until a dough is formed. Transfer to a flat surface and knead for about 2 to 3 minutes. Put into a bowl, cover and set aside for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the cooked fish. We are going to debone the fish like so. So make sure you get rid of the bones in the fish. So after deboning the fish, you mash the fish. Then here is fresh garlic and ginger. Then add some pepper and onions. We're going to be spicing this fish. Then curry powder, rosemary spice. Mix everything together. In a pan, add some vegetable oil. Then you put the fish and stir fry for about 5 minutes. That aside, we have the dough. So knead the dough. This is the fish. So it's time for us to cut out the shape we're going to use to make the fish pie. So use whatever that works well with you. Then carve out, a circle shape like so. So spread more with your rolling pin. Then I'm going to fill in this dough with the fish filling. Then use some egg wash as a seal to enable it not to burst while frying. So this serves as a seal. Fold like so, exactly the same way you do your meat pie. Okay, so indent with a fork. And this is it, guys. So we are done with this. The next is to heat up the oil and start frying until it's golden brown. Make sure you fry on low medium heat. Don't fry on high heat so that it will get well done inside. Guys, you're going to love this fish pie recipe. It was so tasty, and as you guys can see, it's easy to come up with. So once it's golden brown, transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. And guys, our fish pie is ready. Enjoy with any drink of choice. For the recipe measurement, check the description. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next one. Bye.